Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log in to your AIB Mortgage account online. If you want to access your mortgage account, manage your account and make payments and so on, you will need to first log into your mortgage account. So let's go ahead and dive into the video since the process is quite easy. Start off by opening up a web browser of your preference. Go to the URL box at the top and type in mymortgage.aib.ie and search. This will now take you to the login or the registration option for AIB Mortgage. If you don't have a mortgage account yet for AIB, make sure to register first by clicking on register and following through the on-screen instructions. If you already have an account and you would like to access to it, click on the login button. On the next page, you will be prompted to enter your mobile number and your account's password. If you don't remember your password during the process, click on Forgot Your Password link. Follow through the instructions to reset to a new password. But if you remember your credentials, make sure to type it in correct in the respective text boxes. Type in your phone number in the first text box and then type in your account's password on the next. Make sure to double check your information before proceeding and click on Login to log into your AIB Mortgage account online. Now you can manage your mortgage account right from your computer or mobile devices whenever you want. So that's it for today's video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.